Local lawmakers have called on the Greenville County Sheriff, Will Lewis, to resign.
This is all following those allegations by a former employee accusing the sheriff of sexual abuse. Now, when the lawsuit was filed last week, 7 News requested the Greenville County Sheriff's Office sexual harassment policy. Our Aaron Rogers is joining us live right now at 7 on Main in downtown Greenville with the very latest on this developing story.
Well, Amy, we did get a lot of new details today. We do know now the lawsuit has been served to the sheriff. He filed his response and the case has been transferred to federal court. And he and the agency have also hired an outside attorney from Spartanburg. Pages detailing claims of sexual assault and harassment. But one part of the lawsuit, filed on behalf of Savannah neighbors, talks about how she tried to report the abuse and the sheriff was almost immediately made aware of it.
When you accuse a person in authority, I mean, that's scary enough that it happened, that someone took advantage of you, and then to go to someone, who do you go to? Who can you go to? Is that path established? Is it someone who's unbiased?
According to the Sheriff's Office sexual assault policy, an employee should report sexual harassment to their immediate supervisor, or ultimately the sheriff. But human resource experts say that shouldn't have been the only path.
There should be multiple channels that are available to an employee to report any sort of harassment.
The Sheriff's Office attorney told us earlier this week neighbors did have other avenues.
Well, those outlets have always been available. Anybody, if they feel like they've got an issue with the Sheriff's Department or Police Department or anybody, can always contact SLED.
Even though that's not stated in the policy, last updated in 1977. When we asked if the policy should be updated, this was the Sheriff's Office response.
Well, we're always looking at any way we can improve any of our policies, and this litigation may or may not provide thoughts or ideas on how we can improve the process, recognizing that the sheriff was the object of the allegations.
Today, we also learned neighbors' attorneys plan to subpoena deputies who work at the Sheriff's Office and 2 of Lewis's past employers, including the Greenwood Police Department. At the 7 on Main studio in downtown Greenville, I'm Aaron Rogers, 7 News.
And Aaron, meantime, as far as things go at the Sheriff's Office, it's business as usual, they say?
Amy, so far we have not heard what the sheriff plans to do, especially after those calls for resignation. But right now he is staying in office, and he did say in his press conference that he intends to carry out his duties as sheriff. Amy, back to you.
All right, Aaron Rogers live tonight.